Hello Capricorn, welcome to Indian 11 Tarot. This is your career, business and money weekly reading from 21st to 27th September. Just wanted to share an astrological input, there are a lot of planetary movements going on right now. Mars, the planet of ambition, fiery energy, has gone retrograde a couple of days back. So, different zodiacs will have different impact, but all of us are going to feel a little low in drive, that low energy at times, and, a little frustrated. But there is a good news that Jupiter has come out of retrograde on 13th September. And things which were stuck then, because Jupiter is the planet of expansion, growth, good luck, finances, faith, belief, whatever, happiness. So it has now come out of retrograde. So slowly the things which were stuck, the momentum will pick up. Also, we have a double good news, like Saturn coming out of retrograde from 29th September it's coming out. So Saturn is again a planet of limitations, boundaries, making you work hard, but rewarding you at the end. So if we all have utilized this time working hard and putting all our focus into our work situation, money situation, Saturn is gonna reward us, hopefully. So let's see what's there for this in this week, Capricorn. Hopefully we have some awesome stuff. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. So the last shuffle. Options. So this is options, let me see, it comes with the Lovers card. So here it shows that first options card is like looking at things different ways. I think for some of you are looking for better prospects in job, business, partnership. This is what I feel here. And with the Lovers card coming, it like that you may find one. If you are looking for a business partner, you may find someone. So there is partnership happening, there will be collaborations happening, associations happening. If you are looking for the job in a for an interview, or you are trying to fix up, so maybe you have been putting up your resume on LinkedIn and other sending it to consultants for a job vacancy. The kind of work that you desire, the companies that you are working in, start sending it now, Capricorn. If you are not in action, right, this is the time. You need to spread your wings and move forward, because these two cards say that yes, you are going to find something meaningful, something which will get you growth, growth is coming. With the Lovers card, it shows it's about success. See, it talks about finding the right kind of boss. If you are having a tough time dealing with your present boss, you can change your situation here. So start looking for options, spread your wings, look around yourself, different options that you have, but do not get confused. This card could also be sometimes confusing. So tunnel vision it, you see all the options, cut it down, cut the options to 2, 3, and then you work towards it. This is what I get with this Lovers card. And this is Cups energy, so Scorpio, Pisces and Aquarius here. Cancer here, and this is the Gemini card here. So of course this is a major arcana card here. So it is gonna take some time. If you start working now, it's gonna take but yes, you will be successful finding a job if you are looking for one, to expand, to grow, to spread your wings here. This is what I get. Some of you might be buying some luxury item. It could be a car, it could be some diamonds, some spending money on luxuries also is what I get with this option cards. So this is it. Something, or you might be buying a luxurious villa or house or something like that. Here you are trying to look into different options here, and you will go for it in maybe in a month or in the coming days. What else? Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings, opportunities, potential with the Fool. So some of you Capricorns are, see, there is a Fool, taking a leap of faith, or this card already is a card of taking a leap of faith. Now some of you are going for a new job. You are definitely going towards a new journey here, journey of life. You're taking a leap of faith, maybe something you haven't done before, maybe a new place altogether, maybe a new location, or maybe a new kind of a profession. Maybe this is also like something you haven't done before, totally new to you, but you're very excited, you're very happy, you're taking a leap of faith. This also tells that this is going to get you, this is a high potential, you know, opportunity that you have. So nurture it, let it grow. It is going to bring you abundance, prosperity, happiness. So there will be a communication coming regarding a new project, a new job situation, a new, you know, you could suddenly, some of you, if you are feeling stuck, you know, with the situation, suddenly a news could come. This is also material gains. This is a card of material gains, so definitely money coming for some of you, and it's cause of new journeys, taking totally new journey with a leap of faith here. So great. I really like these cards. I'm a Capricorn sun too, so good to see these cards here. I see a lot of positive development, you know, here. This is what I get. There is a lot of work pressure. Even these planetary movements and everything. We just, you know, some vibes we get from the planets, what's going on around in the sky there. So next, the Knight of Cups with the Chariot. Great. So things which were stuck. Chariot, card of forward movement, card, you know, if your focus is right, if you have, so there is a news here. It's a news again, a communication. It's a Cups energy, which is like, you know, it is going to come to you that regarding some stable situation, some growth, some happiness here, which you will make your life to take forward. You will be emotionally feeling really happy about the situation. It will make you feel overall happy kind of atmosphere. So this is a Cancer card, Major Arcana card here, coming with this news that is in future. This news is going to help in your coming months, because this is a Major Arcana card. It is not a week based or day based thing. This is overall going to lift your life ahead, like, you know, in the better, you are going to climb this ladder. This is the card of success. It could also be like traveling for some of you, long distance, short distance. It's a card of travel. You know, this good news might require you to travel, but you are moving forward. You know, you are crossing all the obstacles that's on your way with your strong focus and determination, and this is finally you are achieving success. This success might not come this week, you know, if there isn't, but definitely news should come this week, which will show you what success you are going to get in the, you know, month, or you know, maybe a month, or because Cups energy, yeah, months or 3 months. That's what I get here. So by this end of this year, hopefully there is something great happening for some of you here. This intuitively I can, you know, feel this. So this is one more card we are gonna pull out, Capricorn. Sorry, I'll just shuffle once more. Sorry for the noise. Okay, so here comes the Strength. It comes with 6 of Swords. Definitely there is movement, there is travel, there is relocation for some of you. Now it comes with the Strength card. So maybe you will need to make a decision, you know, regarding Strength card is like making a decision by being courageous, fearless, by being kind and gentle. So there is a decision to be made here, and this decision that you are gonna make requires you to have a lot of mental strength. Maybe some of you are, you know, in a situation which you have felt stuck, which has been not working for some of you. It could be monetary issues, you know, it could be stress in monetary issues, it could be stress in your personal life, it could be stress in your working atmosphere. So this is for some of you, although you know the major cards are of happiness, but being a general reading, it doesn't resonate to all of you here. So some of you, if you are in that kind of turbulent waters, which is difficult times here, there is a decision that you will be needing to make with lot of mental strength here. It requires a little courage to make, but if you make the decision, so your life is gonna move forward. You will move forward towards success. You will move towards karma shows. You can actually physically move, or the movement could be in your thoughts from a from a negative situation to a positive situation here, which will everything. It's all about mind. Your success is in your mind. It's all about mind, what you think. So having that change, a shift in your thinking alone can make a lot of difference to your life. So this is what I get: relocation, for travel, physical travel, and change of perspective also could be there. With this strength card, it requires a lot of strength, and you will come out of this stuck situation towards calmer times or calmer place here. So this is it, Capricorn. Let me just pull out an angel guidance card. Hopefully we'll see what the angels have to say to us. Competition, so summon courage and self-confidence. So that always you need to compete. So courage, and that is what self-confidence and summon courage is what it's written here. So we always need to compete. I think we don't need to compete with anyone else. We need to compete with ourselves, the better version of ourselves, and things will be towards success by itself. It will move towards success. So this is it, Capricorn. If you do like my reading, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to put on the bell icon so that you do not miss out on my videos. And do like. Until then, take care. Bye. Stay blessed.